Apresento.
Some of the fish that's caught is dried or roasted before it's sold, and the proportion of dry weight can be estimated from the estimated weight of the catch.
E o camarão? É boa qualidade esse camarão?
É.
Ele é bom para comer fresco ou torrado?
Ele é bom para comer torrado.
Aí tem quantos quilos?
Aí tem 7.
7. Torrado vai quebrar, vai ficar quanto?
5.
Fica 5 só?
É.
Se eu quisesse levar 15 quilos de camarão torrado, quantos o senhor vai ter que pescar? 21?
21. É 21.
Como é que o senhor faz para saber que é 21?
O trabalho da gente que pega 21, ele tem de quebrar.
Torrado tem que quebrar.
É,
Tem que quebrar.
Vai pegando 21 pedaços aqui, só dá 21 mesmo.
Assim só dá 21. Aí quando torrar, vai dar?
Tem que quebrar.
Tem que quebrar. Certo.
So, what's the message from Brazil? Part of it is simply that, like the good natural scientists they are, the Brazilian psychologists are describing newly discovered natural phenomena, giving detailed accounts of how people think their way through sums. But there's another part, what it's doing for maths as it's experienced by children at school.
Sim, a gente não tá com a fichinha de 100, ou tá, na mesinha.
What the Brazilian psychologists suggest is that the pre-literate children coming to school already have notions of number and logic which teachers should respect, and which should be taken into account in the kind of lessons which are presented.
Vamos contar de 10 em 10.
And that's just as much a necessity for British children in British schools as it is for the children of Brazil.
Se você quiser me dar guarda, você
We have been suggesting to certain groups of teachers to try tasks that are, for instance, related to money transactions. That's something that every kid in Brazil have a very early experience, and that could bring meaning to quantities they have to deal with in school.
Vamos contar para ver se tem 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 é o quê? Cruzados não.
Meaning is something that has to be brought into schools. If teachers could find ways of teaching those algorithms, but relating to the meaning the child already knows because they are doing this outside, that would be the perfect way to bridge the gap between street maths and school maths. Another thing is that the teacher's attitudes could also be changed, because then they would see at first that the child already understands. It's now a matter of representing their understanding in a different way, in a different situation.
Vamos contar de novo. Quanto é que vale essa ficha? 10. Então a gente tem que contar de 10 em 10. Vamos contar, Flávia? 10, 20, 30. Quanto é que vale uma ficha vermelha? 10. Então a gente vai contar de 10 em 10. Então quantas fichinhas vermelhas você vai